As I said, floods are not new to China. They happen every year. Out of the 10 largest floods in the last century, 7 were in China. So why do we ask if this one was a man-made disaster? Because the Three Gorges Dam. Its birth led to the flooding of 13 cities, 140 towns, and 1,352 villages. A total of 1.3 million people were displaced for this one dam. And now if it breaks, it would take more lives. Our next report tells you more about China's Dam of Doom.
More than 80,000 and counting. That is the number of dams China has built. But none of them compare to this one, the Three Gorges Dam. China shows it off as an engineering feat. What it hides, however, is that the dam is the root of many problems for China. The dam has been controversial from the word go. It was pitched as the solution for the yearly flooding of the Yangtze River. But right from the time its construction began, the Three Gorges Dam has been taking lives. The project came with a hefty price tag, and the people of China have been paying for it with their money and their lives. The construction began in 1993. The Three Gorges took 17 years to build. China has admitted that more than 100 workers died during the construction. On paper, the cost of the project was around $24 billion. But critics say the actual cost was far more. The money, of course, came out of the taxpayers' kitty. There were protests against the dam. China paid no heed to them. According to the Human Rights Watch, China used the police to contain the social unrest. Critics were denied platforms to voice their opposition. More than 1 million people were allegedly forced to resettle. In 2007, Fu Shiqiong, a Chinese citizen, found herself swamped. Water began rising around her farm. The dam reservoir began filling. She was given no land as compensation, nor did she have any money to relocate.
Now, here where we're located, it is extremely hard to survive. We are not able to leave after the big migration. They didn't give us land. We didn't get any of the money from the government.
The Communist Party had its way with the dam, but it regretted its decision later. In 2011, Beijing issued a rare admission. The Three Gorges Dam had caused a slew of urgent environmental, geological and economic problems. According to a report, damming up too much water increased the frequency of earthquakes. High demand for water led to droughts. There was widespread contamination of Yangtze tributaries and lakes. Copper, zinc, lead and ammonium was found in samples of water. When it was pitched first, the Three Gorges Dam was deemed necessary to power China's industrial boom. But since the day the project began, it has taken hundreds of lives and caused irreparable damage to nature. Today, the floodwaters are testing the Three Gorges again. There are fears that it might collapse. If it does, the dam will trigger yet another catastrophe. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.